Welcome to raigurkul.com. In this video, we'll discuss about Jira REST API, how to get all filters present within our board. So if you wanted to learn more about Jira REST API, feel free to watch my complete Jira REST API playlist. And if you wanted to learn more about Jira for Project Manager and Scrum Master, I've already created one dedicated course related to this. Feel free to enroll this, and after watching or having this course, you will get detailed understanding about Jira and Agile concept. Now, coming back to our Jira quick filter, normally here we have to use get method. For generating the URL, you can use exactly same domain name which is present in your Jira instance. So right now I'm using cloud instance. So here you can see this domain name we have copied and pasted into the Postman. After that, you can modify with REST Agile 1.1 board, and then you have to define board ID. I'm adding board ID as 4, and post that you can write quick filter. So within this board, whichever quick filter is available, you will see click on send, and you will see all those quick filter which is present here. Maximum result count is set 50, which you can modify it. So here you can see these are quick filters which is present under this board. Now, to get detail about this quick filter, we can also further modify this, and here I will just add quick filter ID and click on send. Once you'll click on send, you'll get even GQL with the descriptions, name, board ID and ID. Everything is available. So whenever you want to see detail about the quick filter, you have to just specify their ID, and you can see or get the quick filter GQL statement as well. So this is how we can get quick filter and their GQL statement from Jira board, and by using that you will get each and everything about quick filter. So that's all from this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you think so this will be useful, don't forget to share within your circle. And if you have any query or questions or suggestions, feel free to add in the comment sections. If you want to learn any new topic, feel free to add in the comment sections. Based on the comments and demands, we'll definitely create that video. Thank you for watching.